This is Sevion, who's a 14-year-old lab, and he limps a little bit with his front paws, especially his right side. So we're going to show just how we can help that with a kind of shiatsu massage for dogs. Labs that swim a lot or jump a lot, especially getting in and out of a car, in and out of a truck, get very tight shoulder muscles. And I'm going to show you how to massage those shoulder muscles. So starts in the thoracic spine. We see in the lumbar spine down here, it's not so tense and we don't get any muscle reaction. But once we get up here, you can see that? So the muscle twitches when we hit a spot that's tight, and if we put sustained pressure on that, eventually it exhausts the twitching and the muscle relaxes. Sometimes we press too much, it might be a little uncomfortable, so we don't have to do it all at once, but that's a spot we want to put sustained just pressure on. It's just along the thoracic spine, which is in the middle here. So labs get this frequently. We can look for other spots in the paraspinal muscles, and there's usually not too many, but when we go into the shoulder girdle, we can find similar spots. For instance, here, you see that's twitching here. And again, it's not a rubbing, it's a pressure. And we can find sometimes just a quarter of an inch in either direction, we find another spot. And then here's his shoulder, and here's the back of his shoulder, his tricep. We can press there. Sometimes we find some spots, and right there sometimes, but often we find them right in here. And sometimes in the front of the shoulder. See that one? And so here's one, we see the triceps muscle is tight. And the thumb is the easiest muscle to put deeper pressure with because it's a strong muscle and joint that we have, and it doesn't fatigue so easily. And then the elbow, we can find also. The money is here. At this time. See it going here? Here it's going here. So it's these muscles in the chest wall, along the thoracic spine, the paraspinal muscles, in the shoulder girdle, at the back of the shoulder and the triceps, and then the elbow. Labs get tight in all these spots. So to summarize, labs get tight in their thoracic paraspinal muscles, and they get tight in their shoulders. They get arthritic in their hips. We can help the shoulders and the thoracic paraspinal muscles, which slows them down a lot, by doing a kind of shiatsu massage, which means we're not rubbing, but putting sustained pressure with our thumbs on spots that are tender and spots that react, spots where the muscle twitches or fasciculates. And when we find a spot that twitches or fasciculates, we put sustained pressure there until it slows down. And we do this daily or every couple days for a week or two, and we'll find improvement in their function, in their gait, and in their pain. And also, as we go along, the muscle will twitch less. And that's an indication over a period of days that the muscle's twitching less, is that the muscle's getting more relaxed. And so he's a 14-year-old lab, and now he's moving better after his treatment, right, pup? Better and happy, huh? Better and happy, Sevion.